Question number 17. A student stands a distance L from a wall. Okay, student stands a distance L from the wall. Okay, and claps her hands. Immediately on hearing the reflection from the wall, she claps her hands again, which means the wave goes all the way along to distance L here, gets reflected and comes back to this point once again here. That means the wave travels a distance of 2L totally, and then she continues to do this so that the continuous claps and the sound of reflected claps coincide, which means what? For every time when the clap goes here, hits the wall and comes back to it, okay, the moment she receives that clap, the echo, she claps it once again, and this she keeps on doing it. Okay, let us say the time taken by her by the wave to start from here, go hit here and again come back is t. So therefore, can I say 2L by t is equal to v? You can say that, right? Distance by time is equal to velocity. Okay, the frequency at which she claps is f. Okay, so when I say f is a frequency, I can write f equal to 1 by t, right? What is the speed of sound in here? V is equal to 2L by t, or you can just write 2L into 1 by t is f. F is equal to v. So answer should be 2L into f. 2L into f d.